Hi, in the last lecture we learned about heading tags and paragraph tags. Now in this lecture we talk about formatting the text. So first I remove these heading tags. Now in paragraph tags we format the text. So first there are many formatting styles. The first one we talk about that is bold. Bold the text. That is start with B and end with B. And I write here bold. So bold and save it. And here if I refresh, so here you can see our bold text is thicker than other normal text. So that is the quality of B text. So I recommend here you can use strong tag. Strong tag also used for bold the text. So if I here write strong and save it, and if I refresh, so no change because strong is as bold B tag. So you can use strong tags instead of B tags because that is clearly understand what the text is about. The next tags we talk about that is italic tag that represent with I. And if I write here italic and save it and refresh here, so you can see here italic is a tilt bend. So that is italic tags. I recommend here you can use emphasize tag that start with em and their closing is em because emphasize is clearly understand what the text is about. So save it and refresh. So nothing is changed because emphasize is as italic I tag. The next one is underline tag. Underline tag also represent with U tag and ends with U. You can save it and refresh here. So you can see here paragraph is now underlined. I recommend you to use here insert tag. Insert is as underline tag, but that is clearly understand as we talk about in upper tags. So refresh here and you can see paragraph tags now is underlined. The next one is superscript tag, and here I refresh here. So you can see this is the text in upper as other normal tags. The next one is subscript tags that use with sub, and if I write here sub and at the end of closing tag sub, save it and refresh, so you can see that text is a tilt down as other normal text. These are the formatting text tags. So the last one we talk about here delete tag that represents with del and ends with backslash del. So you can hear that's line on the text, that is delete the text tags. And one furthermore, if you use mark tag is used for highlight the text. Use here mark and refresh it, so you can see our text is now highlight. There are many tags formatting the text. You can simply go to Google and write HTML formatting tags. So you can see here many tags. W3 School is the website. So I scroll down here. So you can see here italic tags, subscript, superscript, bold, emphasize, mark, small tags for small, and other main tags you can find here. So please like the video and subscribe if you not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.